I just wanted to do an update on the computer V3. I just need to do a few minor design changes. I still have to wait a week until I can order this to test it because I'm super broke right now and it's pretty expensive to get PCBs done and sent to you. So what I'm gonna do is basically just add ground pins everywhere. Maybe all I have to do is just add a row of grounds someplace. Gosh damn it. God, I want to put this right here, but I can't because I guess if I just move everything up. Alright, so I think that's good. I think I wanted to do one more thing. No, I think that's good. I don't need to do anything. So this is the ground for these, and this is the ground for these, if we ended up needing them. But I just didn't want to have to like solder all the ground wires together and then down to one ground. I think it would look neater if all the wires just went directly back into this. Need to redo my copper pour. Rebuild copper area. And then run checks. Alright, that looks good. I'm gonna save it. So yeah, that's the quick update for the computer. I just needed to add some ground pins just because I think it'll look a lot cleaner. And after that, I just need to focus. I need to test if everything works, and then I need to focus on making everything smaller and getting rid of anything that I don't need.